Welcome back, everyone. Pedro here with another video, another live stream, guys. I hope you guys are having an amazing Friday. Just wanted to do this quick video, kind of give you guys a little bit of just an update, guys. Just kind of follow up with you guys. I hope you guys are doing well. If you're new to the channel, welcome. My name is Pedro, and we do Forex trading. We do live streams every single day, Monday through Friday at 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So if you've been struggling with your trading, or maybe you haven't been able to actually become consistently profitable, whatever the case is, you've come to the right place. Make sure you guys subscribe, comment below, and turn on your notification bells and click all notifications so you don't miss a single video. Trust me, guys, 2023, God willing, we're gonna have an amazing year and lots more content to come. So make sure you guys strap on, join the family, join La Familia, and enjoy the ride. Guys, take a look at gold. Gold was forming. We're just gonna dive straight into it, guys, to be honest. Take a look at gold. Gold is forming this ascending wedge pattern formation. However, short-term wise, I'm anticipating, and I know we've got New Year's, and I know the markets right now are pretty much stagnant. However, I wanted to update you guys and kind of give you guys just basically my perspective as to what I'm anticipating for gold, and kind of just maybe my main top pairs before we finish off 2022, because tomorrow we're going to be with the family, partying, enjoying the last of 2022 onto 2023. So I'm super excited, guys. Like I said, I wanted to kind of give you guys a little bit of a quick rundown of what's left and what I'm anticipating for the following next few weeks. And if you have any questions, don't be shy, guys. Comment it below. Also, check out all of our links are in the video description below, guys. Okay, so if you're kind of looking for my recommended broker, whatever you're looking for, guys, go check it out. All the links are below. Our free Telegram group, all below. So make sure you guys go check that out. And so I'm just gonna wait for a couple more people to join in, and then we're gonna get straight into it deeper. Dive in deep, guys. And it'll be quick because I do have another family get together tonight. So, but I still wanted to kind of do a little bit of an update for you guys. A little bit of a live stream here, guys. So yeah, I hope you guys are doing well. Let's go. Let's get it. I'm gonna put here, I'm gonna update the title. I'm gonna put let's put here market overview. I have adjusted some settings as well too, guys, so that should be good. Beautiful. We should be good. Awesome. Waiting for a couple more people to tune in, and we'll get started, guys. I'm gonna put the link here in the chat box as well too, guys, as we wait for more of our members. And you know what, I'm probably gonna let the people know in the Telegram group too that we are live. We are live, guys. Let's get it. Comment below, guys. What are your goals for 2023, guys? Let me know. What are your trading goals or your own personal development goals, guys? It's always important to focus on yourself too. And having a clear mind, having a focusing on your mental health is really, really important as well, guys. Meditating, praying, just having a nice clear mind when you're looking at the charts is also important too. I'm gonna put the poll here. Awesome. Okay. And then I'm just gonna let people know from the group. Hope you guys are doing well. Hold on. There we go. Yeah. All right. Perfect. Okay. Perfect. All the links are there. Beautiful. Okay, guys. So, what am I looking at here with gold? So, I'm just going to show you guys, to be honest, and I'm going to you guys just watch me and learn. If you have any questions, just let me know. Let's see here. So, like I said, this is mainly an overview, what we can anticipate the markets to do the next few weeks, kind of, you know, where we may anticipate price to do or where it's currently at. So we are seeing some sort of, we're seeing bullishness here with gold right now, and kind of where I'm looking or targeting for gold to potentially come to as a rejection area could be this high area up here. Okay, now the only reason why I'm saying that is because we're already kind of piercing slightly above this area here, which was kind of that that resistance area, which was significant because it broke above. So if we kind of zoom in here, guys, so you guys see what I'm talking about. We actually saw price break this area here. We see resistance, we see support, right? And then if we move forward over here, we got support, a little bit of an overlap there. That's fine because it's a zone. A little bit of resistance here, support, and this was just, again, this was a quick little fake out, right? We were anticipating, you know, if price back then, we would have thought it was going to continue to melt. However, price pushed back up, right? But again, in the smaller time frames, that would have still been probably like a slight little range or whatever, right? But we can see that price is failing to create lower lows. Essentially, it's creating higher lows at this point, right? So when we see something like this, I could clearly see price doing a similar push like this here, okay, and moving it up to this area here. That's what I'm anticipating. Now, if we go back up to the weekly for gold, right, the levels, like I said, that I would be looking out for would be level 1 here, okay, and level 2 would be at the highs, obviously, this area, which is pretty obvious here. Move it up right here. Okay, so if we realize that we were to get a strong push like this, right, we can anticipate some sort of a slight little consolidation. Okay, obviously, again, this is very hypothetical, right, but we could see price give us a strong momentum push. Okay, and I'm going to show you exactly what I'm talking about, guys. Don't worry. Strong momentum push, right? Price will come, because why is it going to stop here, guys? Why are we stopping at this level? The only reason why I would anticipate price to stop at this level is because I could anticipate a retracement of this major level structure, where it could come back down to this lower area, hold it as a level support, and then continue to go higher. Okay, but in the bigger picture on the weekly, again, it's doing is just coming back up to these highs, right? Now, we were potentially seeing price, okay, for gold, reject this level structure. Now, on the weekly, we could see a huge candle wick and wick back down, and maybe it could come back down lower. And like I said, it could be that consolidation, that range area in between. like I mentioned earlier. However, we really just have to kind of see what price ends up doing at this time. And another thing we also have to consider, guys, remember, as traders, especially when we trade gold, because I trade gold personally, we always have to look at the dollar. What is the dollar doing? Well, the dollar, we were potentially anticipating, again, I wasn't looking for buys. Clearly see my marked up levels here. Look at my arrow here. I was looking for another leg down. However, we started ranging. Why? Well, we have holidays. We have Christmas, right? We have a lot of consolidation. That's totally normal. However, we failed to what? Create a new higher high, right? So as of this moment, although it's not a perfect channel or a perfect downwards trend, okay, we still haven't created a higher high. And I'm going to zoom in here and show you. This is the daily. Again, it's just a market overview. This is for education purposes, guys. I want you guys to learn. And as you know, that's what we focus on in this channel, right? I'm here to support you guys every step of the way. I've been here all this time. And if you have any questions, don't be shy, guys. Just comment it below, okay? What failed here? Well, we failed to create a higher high. So that tells me indication that we're still in a downwards trend, that we're still going to the downside for the dollar. So if the dollar still is weak, especially seeing this candle, this daily candle here, super bearish. And if this daily candle here, okay, closes bearish, then we can, this here, by the way, was if it broke out of this range to the upside, which it didn't, okay? But if this candle closes bearish, then I am definitely looking for one of the two things, guys, and pay very close attention to this, guys. If you guys are paying attention, comment below. Let me know you're listening to what I'm telling you right now. Okay, so this is really important, guys. I want to make sure you guys are understanding this. Okay, we can see, zooming in here on the 4-hour time frame, what I'm anticipating as a trader is a small retracement. Okay, and this retracement will probably see the dollar come back up to around this level area range of about 103.750 range, and then we can anticipate a push to the downside. Or we could see price come back up to this high at around 103.750 range, come back down, retest this low, still consolidate a little bit, okay? And then we see a final melt, okay? So this is what I'm talking about, where we may anticipate a continuation, a sideways consolidation, okay? Before we see a continuation to the downside, okay? Now, this is something we can anticipate, and what does that tell us about gold? Similar thing, right? We go down to gold on the 4-hour time frame. What could we see? Well, we know that we may see, with this ascending wedge pattern formation, a continuation to the upside, right? However, there's a lot of indecision. Look at this doji candle here. There's a lot of indecision, right? This 4 hours looking good. It's looking bullish. But if this closes bullish, then we can maybe anticipate a little bit of a push high, but I don't think it'll go all the way back up, right? What we may see is a push here to the upside, the next candle. The next candle is crucial at this point. And then we could probably see it come back to this lower level, retest this previous level of resistance as now a level of support. If we reject this level of support, we can anticipate a continuation to the upside for gold, which would go in confluence with anticipating the dollar coming back down and losing its strength. Are we understanding that, guys? Do you guys understand that? Yes. Let me know. Yes. If you are, smash that like button as well, guys, if you guys understood that explanation. Okay. Perfect. Perfect. Okay. Want to make sure you guys are understanding and learning, guys. That's the most important thing, okay? Let me know in the chat box below, guys. Are you guys understanding what I'm telling you and how I'm explaining this with gold? Yes? Yes? Give me a thumbs up, guys. Smash that like button. Support your boy. Man, I'm still here. I'm still here, man. It's like literally the 30th of December, 2022, here supporting you guys as always, right? And like I said, tomorrow I won't be here. Obviously, it's New Year's. We're going to be with the family. We've got a huge party. You know how it is. Spanish people, we go hard. But, you know, I'm still here, guys. You know, supporting the crew, supporting La Familia. So welcome, guys. Welcome, welcome, welcome. We got Jovan's. Jovan's my man. Hey, bro. How are you? Been a bit... Yeah, man. It's all good, man. And you know what? It's all good. You know, life happens. You know, Everyone gets busy. Yeah, bro, of course, man. I want to make a move with you next year. Of course, my man, of course. And like I said, I'm here to support you guys. You know, a lot is going to be for 2023. My focus really will be, I've showed you guys a little bit of my, how my live streams are, a little taste of it. I've been doing it almost twice a day, every single day for the past 4 months. And it's a lot. I'll be honest with you guys. It is a lot on my end, a lot of work and stuff behind the scenes that you guys don't see to keep up the channel, to create the content and all that type of stuff. But it's worth it because, like I said, being in that position, you appreciate the support. You appreciate having a community that is, transparent, that a community that is there to support you, right? So yeah, I just want to be upfront with you guys, being able to have that support is crucial, you know what I mean? And that's why I've really focused on my, my inner circle students, but also on my live streams and the YouTube channel, right? Because we've been able to establish this huge family. Jason, let's go, my man. Got Jason Baker in the house. Welcome, guys. Welcome to all the new members that are tuning in. Welcome to the family. And I'm excited to have you guys here. I know it's the 30th. I know the markets are completely stagnant at this point, but I want to just help you guys out. If you have any questions, actually, you know what? Now that you guys are here or joining in, let me know your biggest struggles, guys. Let me know what you're struggling. What are you guys struggling with right now with your trading? Let me know. Let me know in the chat box below. What is your biggest obstacle that you're facing right now as a trader? And also, let me know what is your goal for 2023 in your trading journey. Let me know, write it down, guys. Don't be shy. Let me know in the chat box. What is your biggest struggle, number one, in trading? And number two, what is your goal, your trading goal for 2023, guys? Okay. We got Jovans here. I need to join your inner circle. Awesome, Jovans. It's always open there, my man. And I've got lots in store for my inner circle group. I am, like I said, I wanted to keep it nice and intimate, nice and private. And that's how I kept it. And lots of amazing content for them. And you know what I mean? You guys are getting a glimpse of what I have to offer. And really, I'm going to focus also on content. So keep an eye out on that too. Because 2023, God willing, Tom, let's go, Tom. Hoping for a big year. Yes, my man, let's go. We got this, right? And so, yeah, lots of more content, which is good because I'm going to be posting it for free on my channel. There's going to be a little bit of a, I'm not going to be doing live streams as often. I'm going to focus on doing the live Zoom calls have been really good turnout on my VIP inner circle. So I'm going to start shifting that more because it's a lot to do. Imagine, guys, take this for a second. Imagine me having to do 2 live streams, pretty much almost 2 live streams a day, plus my VIP inner circles, plus my own trading, plus my own stuff. It's a lot, right? So I want to be able to kind of give you guys the best value where you guys could reference back and be like, oh, okay, Pedro's now not just doing live streams, but he's also posting videos on how to, for example, let's say here, Jason, how to find better entries. Perfect. That's a video topic right there where I can help you, not get in too early or focus on minimizing or focusing on highest probable setups, right? And that's what we want to do as traders. Less is more, guys. I'm telling you, that's the biggest thing ever I learned as a trader is less is more. And when you start off, I know that it can be tempting to look at trade setups and you're like, damn. Or the worst one is, I can tell you this one for sure. The worst one is when you're starting out as a trader is, what was it? Oh my gosh, I blanked out. The worst one is literally starting out as a trader is when the trade is already happened and you FOMO. That was the biggest one for me, guys. When the trade happened and you're like, you have this huge FOMO kick in. And trust me, I went through that because obviously I started with trading crypto. That's where it all started. This whole trading journey for me. Well, technically going back, if you guys don't know my story, I started in basically it was called Kuvera at the time. So it's like an IML, right? iMarkets Live, right? So it was the same version, but here in Canada. Actually, they're from the States. They were from Utah. never mind. So they were in the States too. So but anyways, guys, smash that like button if you enjoy these live streams, guys, and these videos. Give your boy a nice thumbs up. It does support the channel. And also, now that you guys are here, and I'm gonna read through the comments, because like I said, guys, let me know below two things. What's your biggest struggle as a trader, number one, and number two, what your goal for 2023 is. And be specific. Tell me, my goal is to make this amount of money, or my goal is to have a 15, 20,000 trading dollar account. Doesn't matter. Whatever the case is, comment it below. Let me know in the chat box. Okay. And for those that are curious or know or were wondering, finally, I have the super stickers and super chat. So that's pretty sick. I haven't had the time to like do the whole like membership thing, but that's pretty cool. But if you guys want to have like I think it costs like $1 or something, $2, whatever. It does support the channel. But if you do it and you click on it, you can have like these cool kind of like emojis and like GIFs and all that type of stuff that you can share in the chat. Obviously, once we have our normal schedule into the live streams, we'll be able to kind of play with it more and stuff like that, which will be sick. And then there's super chat as well, where it's like, you know, maybe you have a really important question or whatever the case is, it's all there. So check that out. Really cool. And obviously it does support your boy, and I appreciate it, guys. And that helps me reinvest more money into my equipment and stuff like that. I think I might have to shift into PC because my Mac is not cutting it. It's not really good for live streaming. Although I've been able to adjust the settings. I worked on it 2 days ago, and the settings are much better. Not getting any lag anymore, so thank God. But I've got lots of stuff in the works to help provide you guys an amazing experience, guys. Okay, so we've got Jason. So how to find entries? Yes, no problem, man. You know what? And that's good. That's good. And you know, that's good. You're identifying where you're going wrong, and that's the most important thing. Is what am I doing wrong? You know what I mean? Because a lot of traders, they don't even know where they're going wrong, right? You know, they get in and they're like, I don't even know where I'm going wrong at this point, right? But the fact that you know that, hey, I need to find better entries and when to know when to enter, essentially, right? When would be a high probable opportunity to enter the market. We got Joe Evans. I've been trading with small equity, and I would blow accounts because I was not settled and focused on Forex more. My contract on my job ended, and I don't want to overwork again, and I want to trade. Okay. Well, okay. And then I will fund my account with 50K. Awesome. So main focus, try to find something where there's a nice balance, bro. You know what I mean? What you want to do, and again, you know, this is just my humble opinion, but what I would do personally is try and balance. So if you have your contracts done, don't try and focus on doing trading full time yet, because you're going to feel a lot of pressure to make yourself money, right? And when you're starting out, you don't want to focus on depending on trading as a full time. Okay. It could eventually reach that point. Yes, we know that, right? But what I'm saying is you don't want to do that, because you're going to find yourself pressured and you're going to have bills that come out, right? And all that type of stuff is going to happen, and you're going to feel overwhelmed, right? Just try to keep a balance and be like, you know what? I'm going to fund my account 50K. That's my goal. I'm going to pass. I'm going to do this. And I'm not going to pressure myself, right? That's the only thing with challenges that I personally don't like as much, especially when I have a lot on the back end, right? Like the channel and stuff to manage and all that type of stuff. And, you know, taking trades live with you guys and my students and my inner circle, right? Providing them as much value as possible. It requires a lot of my time, right? So when you have this in the back of your mind where you're like, crap, I got to make this much, or I can't lose this amount, you are no longer kind of trading. You are no longer trading like naturally, you know, at a relaxed state. That's why I don't even say it to joke around, guys. Like, I always have my tea. And in fact, you guys, I don't know if you noticed, but I was going so hard with the live streams. But the problem was I was going so hard. I drink a lot of black tea, matcha tea, which is like really healthy and all that type of stuff. But matcha and black tea were both high in caffeine, to the point that I was like, it was really overwhelming me. I was like, holy crap, like this is too much. Like in the morning, like, you know, first thing in the morning. So it's not good. So I cooled off. I said, you know what? I need to kind of breathe. I need to relax. I need to, you know, meditate, pray, you know, whatever you have to do to make you relax, step back and be like, okay, this is the state of mind I want to be in to be able to look at the markets differently. You know what I mean? To be able to approach the markets the right way, right? Awesome, guys. We got a couple more members joining in. See a couple more members also subscribing. For all the new members that are joining the family, guys, don't forget to hit that little notification bell and click all notifications. You don't want to miss out, trust me, guys, on any of the videos that I pull out or content or live streams, guys. Trust me. And if you're new, comment in the chat box, guys. Don't be shy. We got more members here. Vincent, let's go, Vincent. Totally agree with your job. Keep your job and then get profitable. That's right. 100%. Jovens, I believe, Pedro, we can double the account in the next year. Yes, let's go, my man. Let's go. I already have a couple students that have done that following my trades. So that's amazing, my man. And I'd love to have you. I know that you mentioned you'd like to join the inner circle. Let me know. Send me a message on Telegram, my man. Let me know and I'll help you out. Tom Brooks, let's go. We got 2023. My first goal, better money management on my trades. Okay. Second, stop losing money. I can't find entries, great, but lose all my winning. Unfortunately, right now, I will still suck at trading. It's all good. Keep it up, Tom. I know that you have a good eye for pointing stuff out. I know this because obviously, like, you know, you've been a part of the family for quite some time. So just keep it up. Stay positive. Remember, it's all about the journey, and the journey never looks like this. The journey will always look like this, right? And the more, one thing I always learned, the more when you're going like this, the highs and the lows, keep this in mind, guys, okay? The highs and the lows, you always want to minimize. When you're going high, try and keep it as stable. When you're going low, try and keep it as stable. So that when you're going in these waves, it becomes a linear wave, right? Whatever situation you're going through, right? Obviously, you know, you always have to really trust God's plan. You know what I mean? God has a perfect plan for each and every one of you guys, right? We're so unique. We're unique beings with such you know, our minds are so complex, but we're also talented. We all have unique talents and strengths. Maybe for you, right? For you, Tom, you might be a swing trader where you scope out all these amazing opportunities, and, you know, scalping's not your thing. Remember when you first started? I remember, Tom, when you started, you mentioned that you were, thanks to my videos, you were able to learn to look at the bigger picture. You guys remember that? Do you remember that? Sorry, Tom. Right? And, you know, I remember I teach this type of stuff on my live streams. Right? I always say, look at the bigger picture. This will help you understand the overall direction of the market, right? And I know that helped you out a lot, right? So, just keep it up, guys. Stay positive, right? Trust God's plan, right? It's like Drake's song, God's Plan, right? There's a reason, guys. You guys have a talent, a purpose, right? And you just have to trust his plan always, right? And you know, you guys know me. I have my Christian background, right? And my faith, and I know that we're all uniquely created, right? And so that's also another thing that has helped me with my trading is, what's my strength? Where's my strength, right? Maybe Vincent might be like, yo, I'm good at like scalping. I find scalping's better for me. It works well. I like to look at the 1 minute, the 3 minute, the you know what I mean? The 5 minute time frames, and I'm easy to scope out these opportunities, right? I just need to know when my entry's better, right? Right? And so I want you guys to know is don't feel discouraged. I want you guys to feel encouraged, okay? For 2023, focus on yourself. Don't feel pressured. Don't feel like you have to reach a certain, and that's another thing that I struggled with when I first started. I have to make a certain amount. I have to flip this account. Don't put that pressure on you guys. Stop putting that pressure on you guys, right? I have to flip this account overnight. You know what I mean? It's not going to happen, bro. You're going to blow that account if you think that way, right? Change your mindset and you will change your destiny. I'm telling you guys, it's all in here. Okay? It's all in here. But, oh yeah, so let's go. We got Tom Brooks. Let's go. Wow, so many new members. Welcome all. Been with Pedro for a long time. He taught me so much. Spot on the wave. Yes. Let's go, Tom. Let's go. Appreciate you, my man. You know that. Vincent, yes, 5 minutes for you. Oh, see, there you go. It's like I knew. That's funny. But But yeah, no, it's honestly, guys, like I said, that's why I wanted to literally create this live. Usually these live streams have like 40 people, right? But I don't care if it's just 8 of us. I want you guys to know that you have me and you can count on me here, right? And you know, and I appreciate, and it's crazy how much we've grown, guys. You know what I mean? Like, we have so much new members. Like, now I started my YouTube channel, like, I mean, I've had it for a while, but I really started being consistent since August, since after I left my Mexico trip, right? When I came back from my honeymoon, when I told you guys, right? And in a matter of 4 months, we went from literally 150 subscribers up to 1,300 in 4 months, right? So our family is growing, guys. And so any little thing, you know what I mean, that you guys enjoy in the video or anything like that, a simple like, a simple comment, sharing the video on your social media, guys, it does support me, and in turn it helps me continue to create this content. You know what I mean? Because I want to help you guys. I want this community to grow, but also for this community to be a community of value. You know what I mean? I want this community to be creating new traders, to create you know, something that's different. You know what I mean? But with that, I can't do it on my own. You know what I mean? I need your support. I need you guys to support me. And as you have, because I've seen lots of you guys support me, sharing these videos. For example, this live stream, once we're done the live stream, a simple share, guys. If you share it on your social media, just click share and just post it on Facebook, post it on Instagram, will help your boy a lot. You know what I mean? So I appreciate that, guys. I really do, guys. Smash that like button. Guys, we're at 9 likes. Let's go. Let me read the comments here. We got Tom. Yes, I started to only look at the 1 hour. Vincent, facts. You taught me back. Usually now I check in. Good point about me swing trading. I'm trading on the 4 hour more now. 4 hour for me. Yeah. Tom Brooks, let's go. We got, you had Vincent and me, right? Yes, I did. It's just, you know, like, I don't know, it was just luck of the draw. But like, do you see what I'm saying? Like, maybe Tom, is your focus is maybe literally to become a swing trader, right? And let me tell you, being a swing trader, as long as you manage your risk and you're like, okay, I'm gonna, you could have a small account, like $1,000, and you could literally be like, okay, I'm only gonna risk $50 on this trade, right? And the potential risk reward, as long as you know that, okay, I may lose $50, my account will go down, my main balance will go down to 950, but I could, and this potential trade setup, it's looking juicy, and I might see on the, take it on the 4 hour, on the daily, whatever. And let's say you take easily, I don't know, let's say you make an extra $300. You literally grew your account from $1,000 to $1,300. Now let's say the next trade, boom, you take a loss. It's all good, but you manage your risk. What was the loss? The loss was $50. So now what are you? You're down to $1,250, and that's how you grow your account, guys. It's literally managing risk. But the problem a lot of traders do is that they get anxious. They want to be flipping that. They want that $1,000 to be $2,000. That was my mistake as well. So it's not something new. And I think that's a big trade. Like when you're a new trader, that's one of the biggest struggles that we go through, is, you know, being responsible with managing risk, right? And knowing how to, you know, not over trade, right? And not allow your emotions. And again, I've said this so many times, guys, you guys know that when you make emotional decisions, you bought a car. Come on, you guys know this. You bought a car. You bought this PlayStation if you play games. You bought this iPad Pro. Is it necessary? No. It's I barely use it, guys. Now I use it to look at the comments. Look, right? All the comments are here, right? So I look at the comments when you guys comment. But is it necessary? No. Did I have to get a Pro? No. Like, it's literally things that we do, decisions we make, where it's like, okay, now I'm out $800, $900, right? Oh, okay, my phone works, but my emotional decision, I allowed my emotions to go by it. Why? Well, because now it has an island. Is it necessary? No. But because I allowed my emotions to actually get into that moment and be like, this is what I want, then I was like, oh, frick, man, you got me, right? And in the moment I got into the hype, and it's like, yeah, you know, new iPhone, whatever, the new island thing. I don't even listen. I listen to music when I'm driving in my cars. That's it. I don't listen to music like or need the island for whatever reason. It doesn't do anything. Not any different. But I allowed my emotions to get in to make the decision. If I would have taken the decision of buying this phone or not, then I probably wouldn't have bought it. Because I thought logically on when before I made the decision of purchasing it or not. The same applies to trading. When you apply trading and you realize and you think with logic and you don't think of your emotion, right? You make much more reasonable or rational decisions. You don't make rational decisions, right? You make decisions that make sense, right? I hope you guys are understanding that. Let's go. We've got a couple people commenting. Awesome. For humanity. Yes, I've learned a lot from the master breakouts. Thanks, my man. Appreciate it. We got free humanity. Let's go. Tom as well. Let's go. I'm doing smaller size. Yeah, good. Smaller lot size. 150 stop loss. Yeah, okay, good. Hold for longer times. You know, you find your risk, right? So if you're okay with 100 pip, 50 pip stop loss, like for example, like that's not bad. As long as you're managing your risk, it could be 500 and you're making 1,000. Obviously that's over exaggerating, right? But for me, like if I do a long swing trade, I would probably keep it more closer to 80 to 100 pips max. Try and do that, Tom, because then maybe that way I know that on the higher time frames, the candle, right? So I'll show you an example. So let's say, for example, let's start USD JPY, whatever. Okay, USD JPY. Let's say this candle here. Let's move on over here, guys. Let's delete this here. Okay, and look at this. So we're looking at this long term. What do I see? This is clean structure, right? We're in a downwards channel, right? This is the daily time frame. I narrow it down to the 4-hour time frame. What am I anticipating? Well, we're in this downwards channel. We can see that we are in a bearish. We see a bearish direction, right? Bearish price action. Okay. We've broken below a major low, previous low here. Okay. So we can see that we've actually broken this low. Okay. Price was ranging for a little bit, broke below. And now what are we doing? We're retesting this range. Beautiful. What do I want to see as a trader? I want to see price create some sort of a bearish candle. Boom. We got it. Beautiful. Now let's take a look at this. What are we looking at? We got a beautiful rejection of this major level structure. Previous level of support. Respected multiple times in the past. We got support. And if I go back in history, look, without me even looking, I just pulled this chart randomly. Look, we got support, resistance, support, resistance, a little bit of an overlap there, resistance, support, whatever. You guys get the point. We know it's a major level structure. We got a clean rejection of this level, and on the 4-hour time frame, you know how significant this is, guys? This is the 4-hour time frame. But I'm still not looking for sells yet. I'm going to let it play out and see what ends up happening. Okay, now we've broken below this low. Now I narrow this down to the 30-minute time frame. And what is this looking like? Well, guys, if we break below this low, this lower area, we're definitely looking for sells for USD JPY. Okay, it's also just below this level structure. Okay, and now I narrow it back up to the 4-hour time frame. We're still rejecting. I still haven't gotten an entry yet. I'm gonna wait. Remember, patience is key. Okay. Oh shit. Hold on. That one slipped, guys. Check this out. We broke with a strong momentum on the 4-hour time frame. Shoot. Now look at this pullback. We got a clean pullback. I don't know if I can go back. Can I go back one candle? Anyways, you guys get the point. We broke this level structure, right? Now what are we looking for? We got the pullback. So now this would have been, again, I would have gotten on an entry here, knowing why. Knowing that on the higher time frame on the daily, we got a clean rejection of a major level of structure. Okay? This was a previous level support. This is now what? A potential area of resistance. Not only that, we were in this clean downwards channel. Holy crap, Pedro. Holy freaking crap. This is making sense now, isn't it? Well, no problem. let's continue on. Pedro, where are we going to target this area? Because I see price, knowing that we're in this downwards channel, I could at least see price come down, retest this low, at least to this low area down here. But let's be conservative. Let's see that there's a lot of range and consolidation and traffic around this area. That's about 100 pips. Let's say I do my stop loss, my typical 30 pip stop, and let the trade run. 1 hour, let's go, let it do its thing. And price went exactly as expected. Just like that, guys. Remember I told you it will most likely retest this low, but again, to be very conservative at this point, at 100 pips, right? Because that's where I marked it off at, 100 pips, I would move my stop loss to entry, take partial profits, let the rest run. That'd be TP1, TP2, whatever. Probably TP2 at that point, TP3 down here, okay? Are you guys understanding that? And then if we go on the higher time frames, is this making sense? Look at the 4-hour time frame. Holy crap, Pedro, man, this is making more sense. Are you guys getting that? Yes? Smash that like button for me, guys. And also let me know in the comments below if you guys understood that explanation. I literally gave you guys little gems there, guys. And I hope you guys took notes. Hope you guys took notes. We got Jason here. Perfect. Okay, what pairs obey structure the most to you, Pedro? To be honest with you, that's a good question, Jason. I find USD JPY is good, but I would, starting out at least, avoid pairs that have anything with the US dollar. However, I do find that odd USD is pretty good, and I do find that USD JPY is actually not too bad with respecting structure. USD JPY is actually a good example. It's pretty good. It's pretty spot on. If we go back even in history, you could see that it's overall, like, you know, you could see, for example, even here, like, let's say this is an upwards channel here, right? So this is the daily, by the way, right? So if we go down here, one sec. There we go. Oh, come on, man. Okay, there we go. USD JPY, odd USD, you know, like I said, avoiding the US pairs because the US pairs give you a lot of volatility. GJ avoid, GJ avoid, GU avoid. Yeah, I mean, to start out, I would say USD CAD. USD CAD's a good one. Odd USD. Yeah, odd USD, USD CAD, Euro USD, but some traders say that they don't like it because it wicks out a lot. It does. I find Euro USD does create a lot of wicks, but I mean, over time you'll get more comfortable and you'll be able to see what Euro USD, because if we look at Euro USD, we were in this downwards channel for quite some time, guys, but price respected this downwards channel clean. Like, it was a clean downwards channel for the longest time, guys. Check this out. Look at that. Does that look cleaner? And trust me, guys, this is simple stuff, but once you look at the market or the charts for a long time, you start getting more and more comfortable, right? And you start getting more and more familiar with the charts. And you know what I mean? Like, you'll be able to, like, you know, feel more confident, right? In how to approach the markets. You'll feel like, trust me, it'll help you guys out a lot, right? But it's always important to kind of like go back test, look at the charts, all that type of stuff over and over and over until you kind of, you know, drill how the market works, how it moves. Let's go. I hope that helps, Jason. I hope that helps. We've got Tom. Let's go. Brilliant explanation. Love the 4-hour. What I would have done. 100 pip stop. 0.30 units. Self. Get money. Yeah. No, that's good. That's good. That's good, Tom. No, I know that you've improved a lot, like based off of what you've told me, right? So like I know that you've been able to scope out a lot of good opportunities. I know that you've shared that in the group on the live streams. You're good at finding opportunities, which is good. That means you already have the eye for it. You already know what to look for, right? Because in trading, that's what it's all about, is getting familiar with what you're looking at, right? You know, and that's how you're going to be able to scope out these opportunities. So actually, you know what, I'm going to change my give me one second. Welcome guys, welcome to all the new members. If it's your first time here guys, don't be shy, comment in the chat box below, introduce yourself, let me know your name, where you're joining us from, what country. I'd love to get to know you. And you know, we've got an amazing community here guys. I can't stress that enough. We have an amazing family here, so I look forward to seeing you guys join in. Second here guys. But now that you guys have me, I hope that explanation was good, guys, and you guys learned and took notes. But let me know if you have any other questions for me before we call it a day. Perfect. That's awesome. Okay. See a couple new members joining in. Welcome guys, welcome to the family, welcome to la familia. Guys, if you also haven't joined in our Telegram group, guys, go check that out. The link is in the I actually tagged it at the top of the chat box. Go and join that as well, guys. We have an amazing community on there. Go check that out, guys. Go and join in our free Telegram group, guys. Lots of value there, lots of traders. Amazing community. We got talking about XAUUSD, slower, more reliable movement. However, watch gold. Yes. Oh yeah. Sorry, I forgot to mention. Yeah, gold is not the one pair that you want to be trading, guys. That's for sure. Especially when you're first starting out, because gold can be very, very wicked. Lately, Euro, NZD, CAD, yeah, CAD JPY is yeah. CAD JPY is really good. I avoid GJ. Good. Good, Tom. You see, that's the thing. And again, this comes with experience, right? And most USD pairs. Exactly. Exactly, right? This comes with experience. All this type of stuff comes with experience, guys, right? So we want to always focus on, you know, pairs that are not correlated with the US dollar, because that way we won't have to be dealing with all the volatility that comes in, right? So Tom, that's huge shout out to Tom there, because that is true, right? XAUUSD is good. I find XAUUSD when I first started was good too. And Euro NZD, I've traded Euro NZD before. Not a pair that I usually trade, but it's good. Good pair as well. CAD JPY, yes, I know CAD JPY is a good pair to trade as well. Again, you don't get as much pips on some of these pairs, but again, it doesn't matter. The fact that you're learning how to trade the market, you're learning price action, you're learning basic market structure, and you're understanding how the market moves, and that's the most important thing, guys. But yes, 100% avoid gold if you're new to trading and it's your first time. Avoid gold and avoid GJ and most of the USD pairs, guys, or pairs that are correlated with USD. Okay. Okay, so welcome, guys. Welcome to all the new members. Welcome. Perfect. Awesome. Okay, guys. I think this is all I have for today. Like I said, I do have a family get together, so you know, I appreciate you all very much. And guys, if you enjoyed this live stream, if I could ask you guys one favor, if you guys could literally share this on your social media, just click share and share it on Facebook or Instagram or whatever, Twitter. I really do appreciate it, guys. And also feel free to tag me on my socials and find me on my socials at official Pedro FX on Twitter, TikTok, Instagram, and all those ones. They're all the same. And if you have any questions, guys, comment below and watch my other videos, guys. Go and watch my other videos. I think I just pulled up my latest one. and I'm gonna be pulling out another video one of these days. I think it might be Sunday. I'll probably pull it out. New Year's, literally January 1st, I've got a video coming up. I've got something in the works as well. 2023 is lots of amazing content, guys, for you guys. I'm super excited with what I have in store. So guys, if you don't want to miss out, you know, and you've been struggling with your trading, I hope this provided you with a lot of value. This short little live stream, I know it's not our typical live streams, guys, but you know, I hope that it was a little bit of a blessing and you were able to enjoy these little gems that I threw out this evening. Guys, like I said, thank you so much, guys. That is all for today. And even if you watch any of my previous live streams, guys, literally, if you comment, I will reply. So comment below on any of my other live streams, guys, or whatever the case is. And for all the new members that are tuning in, guys, don't forget to check turn on your notifications and click all notifications so you don't miss a single live stream. But also don't forget to join in our free Telegram group, guys. We have an amazing community on there, and trust me, you don't want to miss out on that as well. But like I said, if you don't want to miss out on these live streams that I pull out, that could be at any given time, you have to make sure your notifications is turned on, because you won't get notified, guys. Yeah, Jason, wish I could inject the skills in my brain, man. You will. And you know what, Jason, I know you're already part of the family. Just keep showing up, my man. That's the most important thing. The fact that you're here and you're showing up, and I know that you've been here in the past. Just keep showing up, and eventually after, trust me, watching all the videos I do. And like I said, even right now when I'm going to finish, if you have time, you know, it's Friday, guys. It's Friday evening. If you have time, go and watch my other live streams. Go and watch my other video that I just pulled out. I just pulled out a recent video. I think I called it how I made $307. That was on the gold trade. Go and watch it, guys, from beginning to end. Watch it and replay it if you need to understand what I was looking at and how I was able to approach it. I literally share my strategy, part of my strategy on how I look and how I traded gold at that moment and why I was anticipating a buy, right? So go and watch that. But also, live streams are really important too, because I'm going and answering questions. Sometimes there's questions that you may have that I've already answered in a live stream. So go and watch it, guys. If you have, you know, an hour or two to burn, study. Go and watch my other live streams. I got a bunch, guys, for you guys to go and check out. So go check that out, guys. Trust me, it'll help you out so much. That's what I did. I spent hours and hours and hours and hours and hours and hours studying the charts over and over and over, until it kind of clicked, guys. It all just kind of made sense, and it all clicked all of a sudden. Then the next stage, because it's all by stages, right? There's all stages, but I'm at a stage now where it's like, okay, I need to level up from going, you know, a full lot to, you know, half a lot to full lot, and now slowly shifting over to, okay, I can do 2, 3, 4, 5 full lots, 10 full lots, and get me to the point where I want to be, where I'm making, you know, 10 full lots. I can easily make 20K in a day, right? Could be a possibility. I know I'm capable of it. You know what I mean? I know my analysis almost 80% of the time, almost 80 to 90% of the time, you guys have seen it. You guys have been my witnesses, right? So it is possible if you just put your mind to it, right, guys? So anyways, guys, I hope you guys have a blessed day. I hope you guys had an amazing 2022. Guys, Happy New Year's if I don't see you guys. And guys, I look forward to 2023, guys. This family is going to be a place of value, guys, a place of community, a place where you guys can come in and learn, guys, and not only learn, but be able to network and share with each other. And all I want is positive vibes here, guys. As you guys know, you know, I put God first in everything, you know, and we are blessed, guys. You know how blessed we are, guys, to be here, to have an internet connection, to be watching me on your phone right now, to be watching me on your laptop, on your computer. We are so fortunate, guys, and we don't even know it. So guys, I hope you guys have a blessed 2023, blessed with health, blessed with abundance, blessed with so many things, guys. And you know, I will see you guys next year, which kind of sounds funny to say, but I'll keep you guys in the loop. All right, guys. And if I come up with a random live stream on the New Year's, it is what it is, guys. I look forward to it, guys. Thank you so much, guys.